guys, this is day part 2 of putting the Tien Flex Z coilovers. Shouldn't be, hopefully it's not as hard, but we'll see. So first thing we'll do is start loosening up the lug nuts. Bring out the good old breaker. You want to get this penetrating, so we want to get some right there. Not sure if I want to get right there, probably not. Right here, right there. So we took out the 14 right there, and now we're going to take out the, right here, the 17. So we got a wrench on this side. Basically with these removed, now this is basically loose. Now all we have to do is get the 14s on top. Now technically, we'll just move your fork to the side, and might not come off with the front bar. So we go ahead and now getting it out might be kind of a bitch. Go. Sits right there. So basically, you want to get this one and slide it in here. Put some NTCCs on it. Man, I've never done this before, guys, so breaker bar. Go, she's under load now. Right here on this side. Well guys, so pretty much is you take off this 14 out of this little fork, take out the 17 down there, and basically loosens up the suspension, take out the two 14s on top, and pretty much is reverse everything. What I did is make sure I finger tight everything, then I'm using the third jack on the load before locking everything in. Now we came to the other side, and basically same thing. We're gonna go ahead, I'll remove this 14. Hopefully it comes out good. If not, we'll use our breaker bar. She's loose. So when you get your 17, place it on the other side. Then we'll come out with the bolt. What you want to do now, it's kind of hard because I'm not left-handed. Came out, here's your 17, place it to the side. Now we're gonna take off, go ahead and take off the 14s on top. Might not want to come out because top strut bar, so basically to move this fork. Now basically reverse what we did earlier. Cleaned out our bolt a little bit. want to do is raise up your suspension and snugly find the position. Oh, there you go. Go. I'll do on this side. So now, this part. It's not what I wanted. Nice little snug. This one's good. This out the way. Basically, the bolts are nice. So pretty much the coilovers are in. I tightened everything up under load except for the tops. I'll do those once I put the wheels on. Same here, went ahead, tightened up this 17 and this 14 right here. I did get the collar loose, so now I can kind of adjust it. I did tighten everything under load except for the top. I'll do that once the car's on the ground. So far it wasn't that hard. I mean, it is a Southern California car, so I don't see that much rust. I did use the PV blaster, which really helped, and so now is a nice tedious time of measuring and trying to get the height right, just right. So far, that's how it looks. It looks pretty low. I mean, not too aggressive. I'm gonna do a driveway test. Hopefully I don't wipe out my exhaust or my lip. I guess we'll see. But before, we need to adjust the dampening. So for this, it's 32 click setting. So I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way to the farthest, which is already at the stiffest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm gonna go 13 just to kind of see how it is. Go ahead, 2. On this side, basically the same thing, 32 clicks. Go all the way. This one's all the way really soft. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm gonna go 13, kind of go a little bit stiff, and we'll go ahead and take it on a quick drive. So unfortunately today I don't have my boy Mardukes to help me out, but we're gonna go ahead and take it out for a drive, see how it acts. I may wipe out the exhaust, wipe out the front lip, hopefully not. If so, then we'll go ahead and leave it like this. Scraped a little bit. I mean, it scraped a little bit, but end of the day, it's a fucking eBay exhaust, so I can live with that. It didn't scratch the back. so far, I mean, I can feel the difference now. I mean, I'm glad I left the adjustment at 13, somewhat stiff, and it feels good. The rears are 16, I believe, or I made it done maybe 14, I can't remember. But so far, I mean, so far it feels good. So far I'm liking the whole feel of the coilovers. I mean, it doesn't feel too stiff, doesn't feel too hard.
Media just Kumit, Nana, or not just allow
Oh yeah,
center.
yeah, small
So
portion.
yeah, in you're from Civic